Yeah. Now let's continue Snowflake fundamentals too. In this session, what we are going to do, we are going to install and create connection between DBeaver with the Snowflake, and then we are going to write SQL statements using DBeaver. Okay, let me open any web browser. So I am opening Google Chrome, then download DBeaver download. Click on first link and click on now DBeaver community version. Click on download exe file. Start download. Yeah, click on open the folder. Then double click on this downloaded file. Okay, choose all default options. Click on next button. Click on I agree button. Click on next button. Click on next button. And then click on next button. Then install. Yeah, it opens a pop-up window. Click on yes button. Then click on create a shortcut on desktop. Click on finish. Okay, so DBeaver successfully installed into our machine. Then double click on this DBeaver icon. Then it will start DBeaver. Okay, so click on confirm. No. Then open DBeaver. Here you can see database, new database connection, and select search Snowflake here. Then select Snowflake. Okay. Then here database name, we have created a database. Okay, here we created raw database and raw schema. So provide database name raw underscore DB and warehouse equal to compute underscore WH. Compute underscore WH. Then schema name raw underscore schema. Raw underscore schema. Then username is Akkem Sreenivas. Okay. Password. Enter password. Then enter role is optional and host name. This is very important. Host URL. How to find host URL? Go to your Snowflake account, click on your user, then click on your user. Here you can see view account details. Click on view account details. Here you can find account server URL. Copy this account server URL, then enter account server URL. Then click on test connection. Here it is going to download Snowflake driver. Click on download. Let's wait to complete the download because JDBC driver, it will download and it uses this JDBC driver to connect to Snowflake. Yeah, it is showing connected successfully. Then click on OK. Then click on finish. Okay. You can see raw DB. Click on expand this one. Click on raw underscore DB in this raw underscore schema and tables. This is our tables. Okay. So here go to SQL, click on SQL and write query. Select star from customers. Control enter. Select this command, control enter. You can see the output. So we have inserted two records. In previous session, uh, we have inserted two records, same records it is showing. Yes, sir. So once you created a connection with the DBeaver, with the Snowflake, then whatever you write in Snowflake Web UI, same thing you can achieve from DBeaver client. DBeaver is most popular client for RDBMS databases. Similar way, you can also create connection to Snowflake data warehouse. Then you can write your SQL statements through DBeaver. Hope all of you understand how to install and how to create, how to work with DBeaver. Okay.